To start, we're going to bolt the brackets onto the tow hitch. Slide in the rectangular brackets and route the bolts through the hole from the inside. Secure with a nut and washer. Fasten the long piece to the rectangular bracket ends with a set of nuts, bolts, and washers. Mount the LED pod lights to the tow hitch bracket set. Route the bolts upwards and tighten with nuts. While we are using our hands in this demo, we do recommend you use tools to fully tighten the nuts throughout your installation. Finally, connect the wires to the harness of your desired function.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like us on Facebook for news and updates and visit us at iJDMTOY.com. Thank you.